So a few days ago, I released a video saying that this stock is going to be a stock to buy in the month of September. And in the past week, this stock had doubled in price. So in this video, I'm going to dive deeper into the stock, share my thoughts as to whether or not the stock is a buy or not, and I'll give my price prediction for 2022. Let's go ahead and get started. So the company we're going to be looking at today is Sphere 3D, ticker symbol NE. This data management firm is going to be merging with Gryphon Digital Mining. And I am so excited to bring this stock to you because I believe that this stock has a lot of potential. This merger is expected to go through 120 to 150 days after the announcement. So we're looking somewhere around the October to November timeframe. Now, Gryphon Digital is in the Bitcoin mining business, and they want to create the world's largest fully integrated pure play Bitcoin miner with a zero carbon footprint. But one of the biggest issues when it comes to Bitcoin mining companies today is the impact that it has on the environment. But Gryphon Digital is not only carbon free, but they are carbon negative with 100% hydropower. And even though they're using clean energy to mine, they have one of the most profitable business models that I've ever seen when it comes to a Bitcoin mining company. Their operating break-even cost is $2,082 per Bitcoin, while their cost for energy could be as low as 1.3 cents per kilowatt, with the average being around 2.4 cents. Now, when it comes to their management team, I believe that this is not only one of the strongest, but one of the most diverse Bitcoin management teams I've ever seen. So their CEO, Rob Chang, has been in the business for many years, but he was actually the CFO at Riot Blockchain. And their executive chair of the board, Brittany Kaiser, is a member of the Congressional Standing Committee on Blockchain. And she has co-authored 22 laws in the US to promote and protect the blockchain business. Now, when it comes to this merger is actually a synergistic merger. Sphere 3D's development of Snapmine, which is a GPU-based crypto mining solution, helps the combined company with its diversification and their integration of mining other coins. And this solution is supposed to be coming out this year. Now, the company already has 7,200 miners, but an agreement was made with Hertford Advisors. Starting in November, over the next 10 months, they will be receiving 60,000 miners. That means by August of next year, this company at current difficulties would be mining 50 Bitcoins a day. Now, of course, I think that the difficulty is going to be much higher than it is right now. And so I'm actually estimating somewhere around 40 Bitcoins per day. If we were to say that the price of Bitcoin averages around $50,000 in 2022, the company is going to have over $600 million in revenue. And honestly, I think a lot of people would be disappointed if Bitcoin prices stayed at $50,000. So let's use a conservative Bitcoin price of $75,000 as the average across the year of 2022. If that were the case, this company would have over $900 million in revenue. Now, with this agreement with Hertford Advisors, they could actually be getting over 220,000 miners and a 200,000 square foot crypto mining facility. And if they end up getting all of these miners, this would expand their business so quickly that they have to have a higher valuation. Because assuming that they get the additional 160,000 miners by 2024, that would result in 165 Bitcoins a day. Now, like I said, I think the difficulty is going to be a lot higher, so I'm estimating somewhere around 100 to 125 Bitcoin. So at $100,000 per Bitcoin, and they're mining 100 Bitcoins a day, they would have over $10 million in revenue each day, which that would result in $3.65 billion in 1 year. And as I said before, I think $100,000 is extremely conservative for a Bitcoin price in 2024. Now, I do want to give a warning that these mining rigs have only been ordered. They have not been delivered to the company yet. So of course they need the cash to be able to support their mining rigs as well as the facilities that they're planning to expand into. With the direct offering that was announced a couple of days ago, this significantly increases the number of shares available. Now, I do believe that this helps the business moving forward, but honestly, this takes a huge hit on the amount of growth within the share price. Because when the merger goes through, Gryphon Digital is going to have over 111 million shares. And on September 8th, Sphere 3D is going to have over 40 million shares. So if we take the entire amount of shares available, this company could be valued right now between $700 and $950 million, which is significantly higher than what the market cap says right now. So in terms of price prediction, I think Gryphon Digital Mining, after the merger goes through, could be valued between $2 billion and $3 billion by the end of 2022. And as long as I did my numbers right, that could be between 3 to 4x your money. So I do see a lot of potential with this stock, but honestly, there's simply just too many risks for me to invest in this stock right now. I'll definitely reevaluate this stock after the offering has gone through on September 8th. But if this stock drops between the $5 to $6 range, then I'll definitely look into investing in this stock after the offering is complete. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't mind, would you consider destroying that like button, as well as comment down below what your thoughts are on the numbers that I've come up with for any stock. Would love to hear your thoughts on that. And if you want to hear new content that I've released, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next one.